Hi everyone. As you know, we have been learning about place value. So you've seen this place value chart a lot in your slides. So we know that to the far right is the ones column. Beside that, to the left is the tens column, and to the left beside that is the hundreds column. So we know we can show numbers in the place value chart using manipulatives called base 10 blocks. So I'm just moving the manipulatives over, just like we did on our slides. And I'm just going to grab this little one block and move him up to the top. There we go. So we know now that we can write how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones we see to help us understand the numbers and what their place value is. So we have 1, 2 tens, and 200s. So our number is 221. But what happens when we want to understand place value without using a place value chart? Well, here's our place value chart at the top for reference. So if we show the number 25, the ones column is always the very last number. So the very last number is the 5. So we know that that's in the ones column. To the left of the 5 is a 2. We know that's in the tens column. Is there a number in the hundreds column? No. So our number is 25. Okay, let's try another one. How about 152? Which number is in the ones column? Well, that's right. The furthest one to the right, or the last number, is in the ones column. Beside that is the tens column, and beside that is the hundreds column. So our number is 152. Which number is in the tens column? That's right, the 5. Which number is in the hundreds column? That's right, the 1. Okay, let's try another number. How about 375? Can you figure out which number is in the hundreds column? That's right, the 3. Can you figure out which number is in the ones column? That's right, the 5. So the 7 is in the tens column, 375. Okay, another number. How about the number 4? The number 4. So there's only one number. It's the last number, so it's in the ones column. There are 4 ones. There's no tens, there's no hundreds. We don't have to write these zeros because we just say number 4. So number 4 is in the ones column. If we were going to write number 4 in expanded form, how would we do that? 0 tens plus 4 ones equals 4. Okay, so let's go on to a different number. How about the number 87? Well, the last number is always the ones column, 7, and beside that is the tens column, so then we know there are 8 tens, so 87. That's right, 80 plus 7 equals 87. Okay, and one more. How about 291? Well, the last number is 1. To the left of that is the tens column, so we know it's a 9. To the left of that is the hundreds column, so we know it's a 2. Our number is 291. I just want to leave you with one more thought. Imagine I had this number, 7,921. I know it's a really big number, but which number is the ones column? That's right, it's always the last number. So it doesn't matter how big your number is, the ones column is always last. Okay, thank you for listening.